Hi everyone, I am Advocate SM Khalid Bakhan. Previously, I made a 1 minute video on how to obtain a legal hire certificate. However, that video could not explain the process in detail. So, in this video, I will provide you a comprehensive explanation about obtaining a legal hire certificate. The legal hire certificate can be obtained in two ways. For government employees, if a government employee passes away, their family members can obtain the legal heir or family certificate from the Tehsildar's office. For private employees or a businessman, their family members need to approach the competent court to obtain the legal heir certificate. Now, when obtaining a legal heir certificate for private employees or a businessman, it is further divided into two categories. Category 1, declare legal status. This certificate is to establish the legal status of a family members as the legal heirs of the deceased person. The process begins with an application to the MRO, that is Mandal Revenue Officer, requesting the legal heir certificate. If the MRO refuses because he does not have the authority and he will direct the applicant to approach the competent court. This scenario is termed as cause of action in legal terminology. Court fee. With regards to court fee, filing a suit for legal hire is notionally valued at rupees 25,000 and a court fee of rupees 1,586 must be paid under section 24D of the Andhra Pradesh Court Fee and Suits Valuation Act 1956. Now, the documents required: number 1, death certificate of the deceased person; number 2, marriage certificate; number 3, birth certificate of the children; number 4, Aadhaar cards of all family members of the deceased person; and number 5, bona fide certificates of the children; and number 6, copy of the letter submitted to the MRO. Category 2, declare legal heirs for suit scheduled property. This certificate establishes family members as successors to the suit scheduled property. In this case, the property is valued at half of the market value and the court fee is paid under Section 24B of the Andhra Pradesh Court Fee and Suits Valuation Act 1956. Now, the question arises why we should go with this legal hair certificate for suit scheduled property. Sometimes banks may require a legal hire certificate specifically to the suit scheduled property when processing a loan application, even though the court fee might be high. The court process, so many people will have a question, what will the court process will be there? The court process generally takes 6 months to 1 year and involves the following stages. First stage, filing of the plaint by the advocate along with the court fee and required documents. Second stage, issuance of summons to the MRO. If the MRO does not appear, they will be set as ex parte. Third stage, issuance of a court order for paper publication. After paper publication, the newspaper proof is submitted in court. Fourth stage, filing of ex parte evidence, which involves marking of documents and submitting the chief affidavit. The fifth stage is hearing by the court, where the plaintiff counsels present the case. Sixth stage, pronouncement of judgment. Once the judgment is delivered, the plaintiff can obtain a certified copy of it from the court. This is the final stage. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps clarify the process of obtaining a legal hair certificate. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment below.